mansion inside East Legon, Obuju to be precise, in the Greater Accra region of Ghana. I'm so excited to show you this particular property. But first off, let's look at the details that this house is got for us. So we basically have 3 levels. We have the ground level, the first floor, and the second floor. And of course, the second floor is all dedicated to the primary bedroom. This is got for us. I'm so excited because I've got a lot more to show you, right? Let's go. Whoa. So opening up this double security tough door, of course, you're actually ushered into the foyer area of about 16 meters square, roughly, of course. Now, the foyer area actually ushers you straight up ahead is where the staircase that leads you to the top, and of course, some other rooms in the powder room. And then on this particular side, you've got the living area, you've got this wall actually demarcating it, and you have a square opening ushering you into the main living area. I love this textures dark gray paints or wall cladding. Actually beautifies and brings out the color of the ceiling. And that's very